friends, welcome to my channel Learning for Life. So today we are going to see factors. Okay, exercise 3.4 playing with numbers. In that under exercise 3.4 we are going to see factors and common factors. Okay, so first how to find factors means we'll see. I'm taking the number 20 and then I'm going to write one by one the multiple of number 20. Okay, so 1, you take number 1 is a factor of every number, so 1 into 20 gives you 20. Did you understand? Okay, now 2 into what gives you 20? If you want to know that, what you have to do means 20 divided by 2 will give you the answer. So 20 divided by 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 0. So 2 into 10 gives me 20. Okay, now 3 into what gives you 20? 3 will not go in 20, right? 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21. 3 will not go in 20. Otherwise, you can use the divisibility rule. 2 plus 0 is 2. The number should be a multiple of 3. 2 will not go in 3, so it is not divisible by 3. So 3 will not come. Then 4 into what gives you 20? We all know that 4 into 5 gives you 20. If you don't know means you know what to do. 20 divided by 4. This number divided by this number will give you this answer. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. Okay, so 5. Then next number is what? 5. 5 into what gives you 20? Just now we saw 4. This is just the cross. Okay. Sometimes if it comes like this, the factors stop. Okay, not common factors. The factors stop. But again we can check. 6 will go in 20. 6 will not go in 20. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Okay, so 6 will not go, 7 also will not go, 8 also will not go, 9 also will not go, 10. 10 into 2 is 20. Did you understand? Okay, that's all. More than this nothing will come. Then 20 into 1 is 20. Okay, enough. Now see the factors. How to write the factors means write like this. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Again 1, 2, 4, 5. Already I wrote, so don't write again. 10, 20. Already I wrote. So these are all the factors of 20. Now find the factors for 28. What are the factors for 28? Factors of 28. 1 into 28 gives you 28. Then 2 into what gives you 28? I don't know. So I am going to divide. 20 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are. So 2 into 14 gives you 28. Did you understand? Okay. Then 3 into what gives you 28? 7 3s are 20. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27. So it will not go. Okay. Then 4 into what gives you 28? I don't know, so I am dividing. If you don't know, you just divide without fail. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. 4 into 7. It's common, right? 4 into 7 gives you 28. Then 5 will not go, 6 will not go. 7. 7 into 4 is 28. Clear? Then 8. 8 will go in 28. No. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. So it will not go. Sorry, 8 3s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 8 4s are 32. So it will not go. 9 table 27 only it will come. It will not go. 10 table also it will not go. Then what are the other table? 10 table, no. 11 table, no. 12 table, 12 it will go, right? 12 into what gives you 28? 28 divided by 12. 6 2s are 12, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. It will not go. So that's all. The factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Now I got the factors for 20 and I got the factors for 28. Now I am going to compare and write the common factor. Did you understand? Common factor is what? 1 is there in both, so I am writing. 2 is also there in both, so I am writing. 4 is also there in both, so I am writing. So these, then the remaining and all, it is different numbers. So this is the common factor for the given number 20 and 28. So this is a next sum, 15 and 25. Excuse me. 15 and 25. So for 15 I am going to write the factors. 1 into 15 gives me 15 and then 2 will not go. 3 into 5 gives me 15. Then 4 will not go. 5 into 3 also gives you 15. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 no, 11 no, 12 no. That's all. 15 into 1 gives you 15. Always children, the factors of 15 will be less than the number 15. That is up to only up to 14 or 15 the number will be. Okay, it will not go more than that of the given number. Within that given number only it will be, factors will be. So factors I am writing 1, 3, 5, 15. So this is the factors. Here also the same. Next I am going to write for 25. 25, 1 into 25 is 25. 5 5s are 25. Then 25 into 1 is 25. That's all. You don't have any other factors. So factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Now compare this two and write the common factor. Common factor is 1, 5. Okay. So this is the common factor. Did you understand? Okay. So the next is 35 and 50. 35 you have to solve. 1 into 35 gives you 35. 2 into 2 will not go. 3 also will not go. 4 also will not go because it is an odd number. So see, the last number is 5. If the last number is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by only 5 and 10. Okay. So I am going for 5 table. 5 7s are 35. 7 5s are 35. It comes in 7 table also. Then 10 table it will not come because it is not 0. Okay. So that's all. Mostly 5 into 7, 7 into 5. Like this, if it comes means it is completed. That's all. Factors are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now we will go for 50. 1 into 50 is 50. 2 into 25 is 50. 3 will not come. 4 will not come. 5 into 10 is 50. 6, 7, 8, 9 will not come. 10 into 5 is 50. So that's all. Okay. And then 50 into 1 is 50. The factors are 1, 2, 5, 10, 50. Now compare both. What is your common factor CF? 1 and 5. Okay. Clear? Okay. So the next sum is 56 and 120. 56, 1 into 56 is 56. I don't know 2 into what gives you 56. So I am going to divide 56 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1 16. 8 2s are 16. So 2 into 28 gives you 56. Okay. Then 5 5 10 11. It will not go in 3 table, right? Let us check. 56 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Balance 26. It will not go. So 4 table. The last 2 digit divisible by 4 means the entire number is divisible by 4. That is the divisibility rule, right? 1 4 so 4. It will go in 4. 56 divided by 4. 1 4 so 4. Balance 1 16. 4 4 so 16. So 4 into 14 is 56. Did you understand how to find the factors? Because finding factors many doesn't know. That's why I'm explaining you more clearly. Then 5 table it will not go. Then which table? 5 6 8 table. 9 6 are 54. 8 7s are 56, right? 7 8s are 56. 56 into 1 is 56. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to write the factors. That is 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 56. And then 14. You have to write in ascending order. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and then 56. Clear? Okay. Next given number is 120. 120 is very interesting number. Come, let's check. Now the number factors for 120 will be less than the 120 or 119. Okay. Now 1 into 120 gives you 120. 2 into what gives you 120? You ignore 0 and if you took only 12 means you will understand. 2 6 are 12, right? So I'll put 0 also. So that it comes 120. Then 3 4s are 12. 3 into 40 gives you 120. 4 3s are 12. 4 into 30 gives you 120. Then 5 table also it will go. For I don't know what. So 5 into 120 divided by 5. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. Balance 2. 4 5s are 20. 5 into 24 gives you 120. If you want, you check it. 24 into 5. 5 4s are 20. Balance 2. 2 5s are 10. 12. 130. Clear? Okay. Then 6 into what gives you 120? 120 divided by 6. That is 6 2s are 12. 6 into 20 gives you 120. 7 it will not go. Then 8 table will it go? No, 8 table will not go. 9 table no. 10 table. 10 into 12 gives you 120. 11 table it will not go. 12 table. 12 into 10 gives you 120. 13 table no. 14 table no. 15 table also no. 16 table no. So totally 120 has 15 factors. Have we got 15 factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 only I got. Only one more. Then what? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 is coming. 8. So consider for 8. 8 into what gives you 120? Let's check once. 120 divided by 8. 1 8s are 8. 1 8s are 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12, 40. 5 8s are 40. Okay, so 8 into 15 gives you 120. So I got 15 factors for 120. Now factors are, you write in ascending order always. That will be easy to see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then again go this way. 10, 12 I already wrote. 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60, 120. Just check there is 15 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 numbers coming. Okay, no problem. So these are the factors of 120. Now write the common factors. 1, 2, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8 is there, 14 is not there, 28 is not there, 56 is not there. That's all. 1, 2, 4, 8 is your answer. Common factor. Okay. The next sum is also to find the common factors, but here they gave 3 numbers. So it is very easy numbers. 4. So 1 into 2 is, 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. So that's all. Factors 1, 2, 4. For 8 you write 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So factors 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. Now 12. Factors 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 into 1 is 12. Okay. Now factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and then 12. That's all. Now from these three you write the common factor. 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there. That's all. 1, 2, 4 is a common factor. Okay. Next sum 5, 15 and 25 you have to find the common factors. So 1 into 5 is 5. Then that's all, right? 1 into 5 is 5. 5 into 1 is 5. That's all. Factor for 5 is 1, 5. Okay. 15. 1 into 15 is 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 15 into 1 is 15. So factors are 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay. Now 25. 1 into 25 is 25. Then 2, 3, 4 it will not come. 5 into 5 is 25. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 also will not come. 25 into 1 is 25. That's all. Okay. Now factors you write. It is 1, 5 and 25. Now see everything and write the common factor. I can identify the common factor to be 1 and 5 only. Remaining are not common factors. Okay. We have to find the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. For that I have written the 6 table and 8 table. For 6 table how you will write? I'm writing again. 6 table. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 36, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 9 6 are 54, 10 6 are 60, 11 6 are 66, 12 6 are 72 and it goes on. Okay. So 8 table. 1 8 are 8, 2 8 are 16, 3 8 are 24, 8 4 are 32, 8 4 are 32, 5 8 are 40, 6 8 are 48, 7 8 are 56, 9 8 are 7 8 are 56, 8 8 are 64, 8 8 are 64, 9 8 are 9 8 are what is it? 8 8 are 64, 9 8 are 72, 10 8 are 80 and then it goes on. So common multiples of 6 and 8 we will see. See here 24, 24. 24 is a common multiple. Then the next common multiple is 48, 48. 48 is your next common multiple and the last common multiple is 72. They asked you first 3 common multiple. So this is the common multiple of 6 and 8. Let's go for the next sum. So this is your next sum. If you know the 12 table, you write it. Otherwise, you multiply and write it. I just wrote the 12 table and 18 table. Now I am going to find the common multiple. Okay, common multiple of 12 and 18. 36. Then 72, then 108. So these are the first three common multiple of 12 and 18. Okay, we'll go for the next sum. Next sum, they asked you to find the common multiple of 3 and 4 of the number less than 100. So for 3 you have to write with less than 100 multiples, and then for 4 you have to write separately less than 100 multiples. So we will see. For multiple of 3 I am writing. Up to 10 it is easy, but think up to 100. Okay, we'll write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So up to 10 it is over. Now you add 3 and write 33, 36, 39, 40, 41, 42, 45, then 46, 47, 48, 51, 54. Now only we crossed 50. 54, 57, then 60, 63, 66, 66 after, 69, 72, 75, then 76, 77, 70, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 85, 86, 87, 88, 85 plus 3, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1 minute, let me check. Up to 72, 75. After 75, it's wrong. 75 after 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 93, 96, 99. Okay, let me check. Okay, it's correct. Now we will write the multiple of 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40, 11 4s are 44, 48, then 49, 50, 51, 52. 52 plus 4 is 56, 56 plus 4 is 60, 64. Then 64 plus 4, 68. 68 plus 4, 72. Okay. 69, 70, 71, 72. Okay. 76. 76 plus 4, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80. 84. 88. 89, 90, 91, 92. 92. 92 after 96. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Less than 100. They did not give less than or equal to. So up to 96 it's completed. Okay children, now compare this and write the common multiple. Common multiple of 3 and 4 equal to 3 is here, no. 8 is here, no. 12 is there, right? 12. Then 15, 16, no. 18, 20, no. 21, 24, 24, 24 is there. Next one is 24. 27, 28, no. 30, 32, no. 33, 36 is there. 39, 42, 48 is there. 52, 54, 56, 60 is there. 63, 66, 69, no. 72 is there. Did you understand? Okay. Next, 76, 75, no. 80, 84 is there. 87, no. 90, no. 93, no. 96 is there. So these are the common multiples of 3 and 4. Okay, up less than 100. Next we are going to see which of the following numbers are co-prime number. For that we took the number 18 and 35. Okay, if you will write the factors of 18, you will write the factors of 35, and then you will see whether the common factor is only 1. If the common factor is only 1 means the given number is a co-prime number. Okay, did you understand? Now we will get into the sum. For 18 I am writing the factors as usual. 1 into 18 is 18. 2 table 2 9 2s are 18. Then 3 table 6 3s are 18. 4 table no. 5 table no. 6 table 6 3s are 18. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 into 1 is 18. So that's all. So factors what? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors of 18. Okay. Now I am going for 35. 1 into 35 equal to 35. 5 into 7 is 35. 7 into 5 is 35. Then 35 into 1 is 35. So factors are 1, 5, 7, 35. Now you see this one, equation 1, let it be not an equation. Consider it is not an equation. Consider this to be 1, consider this to be 2. Comparing 1 and 2, the common factor is, there is no common factor, only 1 is a common factor. So the given number is a 18 and 35 is a co-prime number. Okay, now we'll move on to the next sum. So next we are going to see 15 and 37. For 15, what are the common factors? 1 into 15 is 15. 5 into 3 is 15. Already we saw. 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 1 is 15. Now factors are 1, 3, 5, 15. Next the given number is 37. 37, is it a prime number? You can check. Okay. I think 37 is a prime number. 1 into 37 is a 37. Because 37 is divided by the number and the 1 itself, right? 37 into 1 is 37. 37 is a prime number. So, I got the factor to be 1 and 37. Compare 1 and 2. Are you getting any other common factor other than 1? I am getting only 1 as a common factor. So, the given number 15 and 37 is a co-prime number. Okay. Now we will move on to the next sum. 30. 1 into 30 is 30. Then 2 into 15 is 30. Then 3 into 10 is 30. 4 will not come. 5 into 5 6 are 30. 6 5s are 30. 10 into 3 is 30. Okay. Now see the factors. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. These are the factors. Consider it to be 1. Now 4 and 5 I am taking. It is just a big number, right? So we will divide and write. Okay. 1 into 4 and 5 is equal to 415. 2 into what gives you 415? It will not go because one's place should be an even number as per divisibility rule for 2. So it will not go. Now we will take for 3. 3 into 4 dash gives you 4 and 5. 4 and 5 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Balance 1 10. 3 3s are 9. 25. It will not go in 3 also. Then let's check for 5 table. 5 into what gives you 4 and 5? 4 and 5 divided by 5. 1 5s are 5. 8 5s are 40. Balance on 15. 3 5s are 15. So 5 into 83 gives you 4 and 5. Again 83 into 5 gives you 415. This is enough because you know, however on comparing, one is only going to come. So if it is enough, you write this 4 and 5 into 1 equal to 4 and 5. Now factors are 1, 5, 83, 4 and 5. So this is 2. On comparing 1 and 2, I am getting the common factor as only 1. So the given number 30 and 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Hope you understand. So next we are going to find for 1 and 17. For 1 I am writing 1 into 1 is 1. This is only, so factor for 1 is 1 only. Okay. Then for 17, 1 into 17 is 17. 17 into 1 is 17. It is a prime number, so it will not go in another table. So factor is 1 and 17. Okay, now compare these two. You get the common factor as 1 only. So the given number 1 and 17 are co-prime numbers. Okay. Then 2 and 6 and 2 and 5. Again big number. I'll erase this because I need space. So 2 and 6 I am taking. 2 and 6, 1 into 2 and 6 is 2 and 6. Then 2, it is an last one digit is an even number, so it will go by 2. 2 into what gives you 2 and 6? You divide it and see 2 and 6 divided by 2. 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 0, 8 to 16. So 2 into 108 gives you 2 and 6. Okay. 3, 9. You add this and see 3, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so the given number is divisible by 3. So 3 into what gives you 2 and 6? So 2 and 6 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3. 7 3s are 21. 2 3s are 6. 3 into 72 gives you 2 and 6. Okay. For 4 table, last 2 digits should be divisible by 2. 16 is divisible by 4. The last 2 digit is divisible by 4. 16 is divisible by 4. So the given number is also divisible by 4. 4 into what gives you 2 and 6? 2 and 6 divided by 4. 1 4s are 4. 5 4s are 20. Balance 1. 4 4s are 16. So 4 into 54 gives you 2 and 6. Okay. It will not go in 5 table. For 6 table, it should be divided by both 2 and 3. It is divided, right? So it will go in 6 table also. Divisibility rule for 6 is it should be divided by both 2 and 3 so that it is divided by 6. Yes, it is divided by 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6. So 2 and 6 divided by 6. 1 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 19, 20, 21. So balance 3 36. 6 6 are 36. So 6 into 36 gives you 2 and 6. 7 will not come. For 8 table, let's check whether it comes in 8 table. 1 8s are 8. 1 8s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. So 2 8s are 16. 19, 20, 21, 22. Sorry. 2 8s are 16. 17, 18, 19, 21. 46. 46 will go. So in 8 table it will not go. 9 table. 2 and 6 divided by 9. 1 9s are 9. 9, 18, 27. 2 9s are 18. 19, 20, 21, 36. 36. 36 will come in 9 table. 9 5s are 45. It will not go in. 36 will come in 9 table or not. 9, 18. 8, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36. So 9 into 24 gives you 2 and 6. If you want, you can multiply and see 24 into 9. 9 4s are 36, balance 3, 2 9 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 2 and 6. So the given number goes with 2 and 6. 10 it will not go. Check for 12, 11, 10 it will not go, 11 it will not go. Check for 12, 2 and 6 divided by 12. 1 12 is 12. 1 12 is 12. 21 minus 12 is what? 11. Here 1. 11 minus 2. 9, right? So 12, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So for what I wrote there, 21 and 12, 9 times it coming. 216 divided by 12, one time, one 12s are 12, then remaining 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 8, 86. It's confusing. 1 minute. 216 divided by 9. 1 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 19, 20, 21. I am checking for 12 table, right? 12 table. 1 12 is 12. So 9. 21 minus 12 is 9, right? 19, 20, 21. Okay, 96. 96 will go in 12 5s are 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 1 5s are 5, 60. 12 into what gives you 96? 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. Balance 1, 1 8s are 8, 9, 96. So 12 into 8 gives you 96, 0. So 12 into 18 gives you 216. Did you understand? Okay. Next we can write 13, 14 and then it goes on. We can stop up to this and you write the factors to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 54, 72, 108, 216. Okay. Okay. Now you have to find for 215. 1 into 215 is 215. It will not go into 3 table. Check for 3 table. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it will not go. 4 table. No. 5 table. 5 table it will go. 215 divided by 5. 1 5s are 5. 4 5s are 20. Balance 1, 15. 3 5s are 15. So 5 into 43 gives you 215. 43 into 5 gives you 215. Stopping up to this because that's all. Factors are 1, 5, 43, 215. Okay. Now compare this 1 and 2. Do you have any common factor? 43 is here, 5 is here, 215 is here. No. So I got the common factor to be only 1. So the given numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay. Next one it is 81 and 16. 81 I am taking 1 into 81 is 81. Then 8 plus 1 9. It will go in 3 table. 3 into what gives you 81? 81 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. Balance to 21. 7 3s are 21. 3 into 27 gives you 81. Then 9 9s are 81. Okay, 81 into 1 is 81. So factors are what? 1, 3, 9, 27 and then 81. For 16 you write 1 into 16 is 16. 2 8s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 1 is 16. So we can write the factors to be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Comparing 1 and 2. Do you have any common factors? No. The common factor is only 1. So the given numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay. So let's move on to the next sum. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. Okay, a number is given. It is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will the number will be always divisible? Okay, so if 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, this 2 is divisible by both 1 and 2. So like that, if you find the product of these two means, you can find which number it is always divisible. 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 60. So the number is divisible always by 60. That's all. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. A number is divisible by 12. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? They gave you the answer here 12 and they are asking what the other number the number is divisible. This is nothing but finding the factors. So if you find the factors of 12, you can see the number with which other numbers are divisible by 12. Okay. So 1 into 12 gives you 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 into 1 is 12. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So the number is divisible by these factor numbers. Okay. So that's all. With this, exercise 3.4 is completed. So if you like my video, please do watch, subscribe and comment, and then click the bell button without fail. Thanks for watching. Thank you, friends.